Yellow Tiger Endlers are hardy, adaptable, peaceful and attractive fish suitable for several aquarium setups including the Nano, Well Planted and the Community Aquarium. Tiger Endlers can live happily alongside most other fish, generally considered community fish. However, it is advisable that you avoid keeping these fish with larger, more aggressive species such as tiger bubs and cichlids or other fish that are known to be fin nippers in the hobby. Male Tiger Endlers have beautiful coloration and patterning that can vary somewhat. In addition, they boast an incredibly bright yellow and black coloration. Although they are not a pure strain of Endler, these colours have quickly made them one of the most beautiful Endlers available in the fish keeping hobby. Their sheer hardness and reputation as prolific breeders make them perfect candidates for the beginner aquarist that wishes to try their hand at breeding fish. Yellow Tiger Endlers typically occupy the top level of an aquarium. However, you will also find them swimming in the middle and bottom levels when foraging for food and chasing females for courtship. You will not find yellow Tiger Endlers in the wild, so technically these fish have no natural habitat. Adrian Hernandez from Swamp River Aquatics, based in the USA, took wild Endlers, crossed them with captive fancy guppies, developed this strain and introduced the popular yellow Tiger Endler into the hobby. Yellow Tiger Endlers are unfussy and will eat practically any food you give them. However, for the best health of these fish, it would be better to provide them with a balanced diet. Therefore, you should offer these fish good quality dried foods like flakes and granules alongside live, frozen or freeze-dried foods such as brine shrimp, daphnia and bloodworm. Tiger Endlers will also graze on algae and biofilm while not bothering aquatic plants and will very much appreciate the occasional treat of blanched vegetables and cucumber. Endlers are known for overeating, so you need to make sure that you do not overfeed them by only giving them tiny amounts several times a day rather than 1 or 2 big feedings per day. It is effortless to differentiate between male and female yellow Tiger Endlers. The males are slimmer and much smaller than females and display vibrant colours and patterning as well as having longer fins. In contrast, females are more significant, fuller bodied and have a dull greyish silver colour and shorter fins. Yellow Tiger Endlers are very easy to breed and are considered prolific breeders. Depending on their age and size, females can have babies from around 2 months old and give birth to anything from 5 to 30 fry every 24 to 28 days. It is recommended that you have 2 to 3 females for every male to avoid continuous harassment from the males. In addition, having selected areas for dense planting is also advisable so that the fry can hide and avoid being consumed by the parents or other fish if they are housed in a community tank. Supposedly, Endlers do not predate on the fry as much as other live bearers, so if they are kept in a species-only aquarium, they can reproduce successfully without any human intervention. You should initially feed the fry on microworms, baby brine shrimp, crushed flakes and liquid fry food, moving on to flakes, granules, daphnia and such like as they grow. The fry will develop relatively quickly depending on temperature and feeding and will exhibit adult coloration within 5 to 8 weeks.